Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to get YouTube Premium subscription absolutely free, where is available, what is the process, and how many days we are receiving YouTube Premium subscription absolutely free. Let's start on my Mac screen. So simply, first of all, I just simply open here YouTube. This is my one of YouTube channel. I click here in the profile menu, and here the purchase and membership. If you click here, the two option is showing, one is music and one is a premium. If you get the premium one, so by default music is absolutely free including this subscription. I just simply click here, learn more, and boom, look at this here, all YouTube, no interruption, YouTube and YouTube music ad free offline and background, 2 months trial for $0 0 DKK, 0 INR. Using this process, I am receiving 2-month premium subscription absolutely free. You can check like this and see how many days you have to get free of cost this subscription. I just simply click here, try for 2 months, and then here as a payment perspective, you just simply add here credit card or debit card or add PayPal account. I just simply say buy, but you need to provide here payment information. And today is the 16th of June. Payment starting of 16th of August, means June and July I can access this one absolutely free. So I just simply provide here, add a PayPal, buy. I just simply add here my PayPal account detail, and today I am not paying anything. Pay to buy. Wait couple of seconds. So look at this here. Welcome to YouTube Premium. You have now activated and benefits start immediately. Email receipt has been sent. If I say done and I open here my Gmail, let's see, I'm receiving. Yes, I'm receiving here welcome email. Look at this here, order placed, order here. Welcome to you YouTube Premium, your 2-month trial period, and starting from here get start like this. And if I refresh here, again I refresh, then I open here one of the video, so add free video. If I click here my profile, so look at this here, premium benefits. If I click here, so here the premium benefits is just showing, and now here is the premium of Jaipal Singh Kaite. Using this process, you can very easily get YouTube Premium subscription for specific month. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.